Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the PB Cuber, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the 4x4 parities. So what happened to all of us? We learned how to solve the 4x4, we did the centers and the edges, but then... What? What? That's impossible. And then after we scrambled the cube and solved it again, this happened. Oh, now it's possible. What? So today I'm going to show you two algorithms from each of the parity cases, and you can just choose what you think is better. So those are the algorithms from the OLL parity. I think that the second one is better, but you should try them both and see what's better for you. So those were the algorithms for the 4x4 PLL parity. Again, I think that the second algorithm is better, but you should try both and decide what's better for you. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for today. Hope that this video was clear and helpful, so now we can solve the parities. If something wasn't clear, please write me down in the comments so I can know and improve in the future. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.